Hey guys. You guys. Guys, welcome back again to the channel and welcome back to Boomsy Sports. If you are just seeing my face for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to click on the subscribe button. You guys, I'm sweating because I just got done from church and I went to queue for blessed small chops. It's been a while that I've been buying like small chops and all, but you guys, there's another person. See all that I have here. Yeah, I don't know, this thing is too bright if you guys can see very well, but see how loaded. Yeah, see how loaded this pack is. See how loaded this small chops pack is, because I bought extra puff and what they call you, I'll share some with my husband. I couldn't make it to church today, but and I bought extra chicken as well because I would share as well with Kaito and Kaima. But yeah, you guys, welcome back. We'll be heading home. When I get home, I want to make rice and sauce, stew and some other things. But yeah, basically this is how my Sunday will be going, because I said my husband did not come to church, because if you watch the previous vlog you will know that we had casualties at home, our house flooded and all. But let's just be heading home and I'll see you guys when I get home. I'm supposed to go somewhere later this evening with my sister, but let's be getting home first. Welcome back again to the channel. Mommy Boomsy here, you guys, back from church, and you can see the parlor doesn't have any rug, and those are like my equipment, because I pray that my lightings are not, my tripod stand lightings are going to work, because by the time we came back, that one was, the wire was swimming in water. So I'm air drying it. It was actually at the front here, but I'm air drying it. I'll bring it back in like pretty soon. No, not even pretty soon. It will stay outside again. I'll take it outside again, just that we just came back from church, but I'll take it outside again, and hopefully like tomorrow it will be fine for me to bring it in. But I want to make rice and sauce and different things, because I'm heading out with my sister later on this evening. So I want to make rice and sauce and just some other things as well. You guys, the house is sleeping, like the children, my husband, everybody is sleeping. I feel like it's a perfect time to just be in the kitchen right now and just cook. If you guys want to come with me, what's a Boomsy's vlog? In fact, one of my subscribers said, what's a Boomsy's vlog without cooking? Anyways, so what's a Boomsy's vlog without cooking? You guys, I'm having so much struggle recently, right? Let me put this camera down. Kaima has spoiled my tripod stand, and it's not funny. She has bought my tripod stand, like the small one I usually, you know, put to hold my camera. She has spoilt it. What to do, right? I want to see if I can glue it, or I'll use the bigger one to just go into the kitchen, because filming when you're cooking is not beans. But I'm just having struggles like uploading videos that will take me 30 minutes to upload is now taking me like 2 hours to upload. So I don't know. I'm a kind of person that I like to bulk film for the week, like the whole of the week, because I put videos 3 times in a week. So if you don't know that and you're just joining my channel, I put videos Wednesday, Fridays and Sundays. Please do well to always check me out on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. So please do me well to actually check me on those days. Even if like my notifications don't pop up, come to my channel, there will be a video, right? So I'm trying to upload. I have been having uploading issues. I don't know what's happening with the network nowadays, but I've been trying my possibly best to upload that video. This is 2 o'clock ish. That video is supposed to go up by 4 p.m. I have been trying since yesterday to upload, and it has been on 8%. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it goes up by you guys, I am done cooking. See the way I'm sweating. I've been in the kitchen just whipping up for everybody's stomach. I don't know why it's blur, but I think it's trying to just focus on my face. Yep. And I've served mine. Good morning, you guys. The grind continues. The hustle continues, but for some reason, right, I'm headed to work. Actually, I'm headed to work, but for some reason, you guys, I'm headed to work. I'm motivated going to work, but but I think I'm losing my motivation on YouTube, right? Like this, because of I'm having, like, you know, uploading issues, Wi-Fi issues and all, and what they call it, like John has not been available, right? Like, nothing wrong, but John has not been available, so I am back to editing by myself and doing everything by myself. In fact, today after work, after I'm done with Amber, I actually have to go to a client's house to actually just check on what my guys are doing, right, so that I can also get clips. And thankfully the place is not so far away from my house, like it's a junction after my house that the decoration will be happening. So when I'm done from work, and thank God it's much later, so it's another, like, you know, welcome kind of decoration. If you watched my previous vlog, you would see the decoration that I did previously, the welcome decoration that I did previously. But you guys, your girl is losing motivation because internet issues, and you know, it's just now that I just realized that as I've not been editing my videos and I'm back to editing my videos by myself, like my YouTube videos and all, my God, I didn't know that, you know, I didn't know how much it was to do YouTube, like create these videos and then edit them by yourself. But either ways, it's okay. I will try as much as possible to still be consistent. I will shake off the feeling of demotivation, you know, if I can, because I know you guys love seeing my face. But I wanted to put this video out there to say that there's a winner for our Hilda Bastis class, and if you followed my community, you would see that I announced the winner. She has paid for the class, but I also want us to put her in prayers as well, right? She's just going through a tragic moment right now, and you know, she's one of us. She's a community member of ours as well, so you guys just put her in prayers as well. But she has registered for the class, and she will definitely come and give us a feedback. The class is going to be running for 1 month, and some other people as well that, you know, saw me talking about Hilda Bassis class. I was just raving about it and all. They went ahead to register based on the trust, you know, me talking about it and all. They went ahead and registered. So we'd like to hear from you guys, right? Because a couple of them were in my DM, Boomsy, what do you think? I want to register for this class because of you, right? And I said, no, go ahead, it's going to be beneficial to you. I pray and hope that in next class as well, I'll be able to register another person. I'll be able to register another person for the next class. Fingers crossed, right? I'll be able to register another person. Or because you guys will not also believe that, you know, I got a DM, right? And somebody messaged me to say, is it only cooking that I would be doing giveaway for? Can't I do giveaway for somebody to go and learn how to do balloon because she's interested in this balloon thing that I'm doing? And in my head I'm like, see, let me just tell you people, I do it for the people that love me. I do the YouTube for the people that love me, genuinely concerned about me, genuinely care about me, right? I don't like to dwell on like negative people and negativity and all. But if you want to learn balloon styling, if you really want to learn balloon styling, you not go wait for giveaway. You not go wait for when Bumsy go say, oh, I want to register somebody for balloon styling. If you really want to learn it, or the person just intended to just blab. Because as I saw the message, right, as I saw the message, I just realized that there is no point, not even realized, I just said there is no point responding to this person. Blocked. No point responding to this person. Make I just block you first of all, let me have my peace. Looked at the person's name. If I ever catch you in my comment section, I'm going to block you. If I catch you in my comment section, I'm going to block you. If you really want to go and learn balloon business, you will not wait for when I upload a video to talk about, you know, I genuinely want people to learn skill because this is how beneficial these things have been to me. You will definitely find a way to go and do it. You know, go wait for me. I know be your mama. But anyways, guys, you guys, let me just be heading to the office. From there, let me just be heading to the office because it's a crazy day, and I also need to go to the bank during my break time. I don't know, I'm having a little bit of issues with my AdSense payment. They had sent me the easy receipt since last week, but I've still not gotten the payment. Like, I've not gotten the alert, so I want to find out if, you know, I received the alert and I did not know, or what they call it, the payment has not come through, because let's know what we're doing. See you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mommy, say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys. Bye guys. You guys, bye bye. Hey. Hey.